Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to strengthen your Lendio loan application. A stronger application improves your chances of approval and better terms. Here's how to do it. First, log into your Lendio account and start your loan application. Then make sure that your business profile is complete and includes industry, years in operation, and ownership details. You also want to upload recent bank statements and tax returns instead of estimates because lenders prefer verified numbers. Connect your accounting softwares, be that QuickBooks, Xero, or FreshBooks, for automatic financial synchronization. Also pay attention to your debt to income ratio. Reduce outstanding debts if possible before applying. Keep your credit utilization low. Under 30% helps with approval. You also want to clearly describe your loan purpose in application. Lenders favor specific growth-oriented use cases. Double check all documents for accuracy to avoid delays, and be sure to respond quickly to lender requests through Lendio's messaging system. By presenting a complete, verified financial picture, you'll stand out as a reliable borrower. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.